Aubrey, do you think Jonah knows where we're going?
Hi.
No, for real, where's Gabby? What kind of super strength you got, Aubrey?
Oh my God, Aubrey!
Today's the day that the Lord has made, and I will rejoice and be glad in it. Amen, amen. Hope you guys are doing amazing today. Today is a new day, great day, grand day, and we are at Sweet Eats Farm. Hey, hey, I got my crew back there.
Yay!
Hi. Hi, we are about to have a good time. They have all types of fun stuff here. I've seen a YouTuber come here before, and I also seen and one of my fellow subscribers, love friend, internet bestie in my head, she took her family here, and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm going. And so yeah, she messaged me and she told me she went here. So I'm like cha-ching, woot woot, poop poop. Got the crew ready to go. We gotta get our mask on. We're gonna have a great time, right guys?
I just woke up from my nap.
It's a ways from us, but it's okay though. It was worth the drive. So anyway, enough of the talking. Enough of this talking. Let's get in.
Wait, can I say something?
Oh Lord. Oh, here we go.
This place.
Girl, you just hit me in the head. Sit upright.
This place. I thought I hit your car.
No, you hit me. You just smacked me in the back of the head. Okay.
This place is a farm. They got horses and animals. Wow.
Okay. Anyway, so y'all come get y'all nieces and nephews. Y'all, I need a vacation.
Ow.
I need one.
Ow. Families that do crazy things. They've been here.
Alright, now we're about to enter into the corn maze, right guys?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see. Let's go in.
We're going to the stop.
Alright, Aubrey, are you having fun?
Yeah.
In the corn maze? Yeah. Uh-oh! We're at a crossroads. Which way should we go, guys?
This way is safe because there's 2 more ways from here. No, I think we should go this way first, and if we get track off, we should go.
Oh, wait, let's have a vote. Let's have a vote, okay?
I vote over here.
If we should go left or right. Aubrey, which way do you think we should go?
Why?
That way? Which way do you think we should go?
Left. Actually,
oh, I am the tiebreaker.
I think this way.
Are we gonna go left?
This way. No, you can literally see for the corner.
Okay. All right. This way we're going.
Because if we go this way, I think we're gonna get stuck. If we get lost, we can go through that one. Actually, no. It actually leads the same way. A clue.
I don't know what that is. Come on, let's keep going, guys. That's the map, and
listen to the people.
We're lost. He doesn't know. He doesn't know. Aubrey, do you think Jonah knows where we're going?
Oh, this is where the chicken came from.
Okay.
This way, Mom.
Okay, we're still going. We're still. All right, we're still going. Jonah's having a good time.
Oh my God!
So we're about to get on.
We're about to get on the go-kart.
The cart, yeah, the go-karts. That's what we're about to do right now. So
we just went through one of the mazes on the corn maze.
Yeah, we did. We went through one of the mazes. We're gonna come and do another maze.
We got lost, and I had to bring us back out through the, beginning.
Yeah, that is what happened.
He never went left. He only went right.
Well, if you keep making right turns, you're gonna end up going in a circle.
But Jonah kept turning right, and he got us out. I know.
Bye, Jonah. Where's Gabby?
I have no idea.
Where's Gabby? For real, where's Gabby? Oh, I found her. Say hi, Aubrey. Aubrey.
Hi. We can go inside.
Look at me, Brielle. Oh, you bouncing? You gotta find the top part first. You gotta hold on. To get on it, babe, you gotta hold on to the handles so you can bounce on it. There you go. Now you can get on it and bounce.
I got the one that has the alien.
Oh wow. So the kids are bouncing right now, and I'm taking a little break while they bounce and have them a good time. Whew, this is nice. The weather is perfect outside, let's say the least. Like, I probably should have wore short sleeve because it's kind of been cold, it's been hot, it's been doing a whole bunch of crazy stuff, so I didn't know how to dress. But I tell you that much, the kids are having a good time though.
And then if she doesn't like you, no, you got it.
You got it, good job. You got it, Aubrey?
Sure.
Alright, make sure you're here.
Got it there? Okay, make sure you hold on with both hands.
Alright, hold on, Mama. Oh, look at you! Look at you, Aubrey!
Other foot. No. Put this foot in place. Good job.
There you go. Awesome.
Now let go. Perfect. Yeah, you got the full.
Okay, awesome. Look at me, Jonah. Oh, cool. Alright. Did you have fun? You like?
Did you
Have fun? Did you like it on the be on the horse?
Homer's next. Stop.
You like being on the horse?
Yeah. Homer's next. Mom, report that llama. Show everybody that llama.
Okay. Go.
Wow.
Jonah.
Yeah?
What are you doing?
Oh, no, I'm sleeping. This is my house.
What's your brother doing?
I'm sleeping in the wilderness.
Okay, wait. So, you guys. No, don't be leaving without me.
There's a treasure. I think we're splitting up the thing.
No. Okay.
It's in the middle of the maze.
So, we are in a hay maze. Trying to figure out where to go.
We're gonna find all the treasure chests.
We have a map and everything. We still don't know where we're going. You okay, Stinky? Hmm? She said she okay.
There's a treasure chest, see? Right here.
Got it. Okay.
It's in the center of the maze. Okay, guys?
Okay. I don't know. Jonah's getting us lost. You got a clue. A clue. What is the clue?
No ending.
Oh.
Pac-Man was described really loud or they won't run.
So, are you ready for the pig race?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I don't know. I don't know if I believe you.
I'm voting for the black one to win.
What is that, a turkey?
No, that's one thing they're gonna do. They're fast.
No,
And they go in groups. Just two of them.
Are
Yeah.
you ready for the race?
Yeah.
What in the world's going on? How you have Aubrey pushing y'all? What kind of super strength you got, Aubrey?
Oh my God, Aubrey! That's actually me.
Back in the corn maze. We're in the longer one now.
If we see that right there, that means we're close to it.
Okay, whatever you say. So we're gonna see how this one goes. They had the other one was in the short one.
Oh, I see another one.
Now we're in the long one.
Now we get back up here. Oh, I think so.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna?
Did you guys have fun?
Yeah, we went to the duckies who had water and plus them was water and I was a dam.
Yeah, it was a lot to do. Oh my gosh, we had so much fun. We'll definitely have to come back out here again. There's still so much for us to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Tell everybody thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.
Yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Definitely don't forget to thumbs up, like, comment, share, do all that good stuff. And we'll catch you in the next video. And as always, guys, God bless. Mwah.
Peace.